Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and if you watch my channel, you'll know A, that I'm very spoiled, and B, I am a sucker for a Rainbow High doll on sale, especially clearance. We went to Walmart to pick up some groceries, and specifically for eggs. But the eggs were just too expensive, so we didn't buy them. However, we bought Rainbow High dolls on sale, and I just could not get this one. $15, what? This outfit is worth more than the $15, not alone everything else in this set. I love the makeup and hair dryer that is in this. I might even open that for my Blythe dollhouse because it always comes back to Blythe. But they didn't have just that one. They also had one I've been looking for on clearance, and this is the best price I have ever seen on her. $25 for this absolutely beautiful doll, who, by the way, looks like the voice behind Gilly the monster, who is Allison, who I call Sherry because she reminds me of Sherry Lewis in Lamb Chops. This is pretty much what she looks like, except she has brown eyes. And if I'm not supposed to tell that, Allison, forgive me. But this girl comes with 4 outfits, 4 pairs of shoes. So at the full price, she was also a special edition. At the full price, this was a good deal. But seriously, would you have left her for $25? It's not all they had. They also had, I love these when they came out. Absolutely love them, but they were so expensive. This one is one of my 2 very favorite. Absolutely love her. Look at the price. $15. $15. And no, I will not take these out of the box. They also had, let me get her turned around. Oh, $15. $15. Oh my God, is she the cutest thing? She was the last one of this girl that they had. And I gotta tell you, I thought about not buying them. And I just spent a bunch of money on some dolls in Chicago. I mean, a bunch of money. And so I wasn't gonna get them, but $15. So here's my cart. I'm walking up to Darren. I have all these dolls in my cart, and he's looking at him. He says, cool, did they have any more? And I'm like, yeah, actually they did. I don't know her name. She is the green Shadow High girl in the band. They had her for, was she 25 or 50? No, if she's 15, I'm in at 15. $15 for these Rainbow High dolls are worth, yeah, they're well worth it. Absolutely love this girl. That outfit is just stunning. I have sewn outfits out of tulle for dolls. I'm going to tell you right now, it is not easy, and it takes time. You go very slow. Even if you're sewing by hand, you go slow, but on a machine, very slow. Are you picking up the spiders in the spider web with the pearls sewn over it?
And it's embroidered on that tool.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. $15. And if you watch my channel, you know I'm kind of a sucker for a blue-haired doll. Yes, I'm bending over again. Can you even believe it? And they have this one. Tell me, did they have 5 in this series or more? Yes, $15. This one is my top favorite. I mean, I love this doll, this outfit. See the silver spiders with the pearls again. That hat, you could take the RH off, but they do that. Her hair, I love this doll. So here I was with all these dolls in my cart, and Darren saying, cool. I said, did you get eggs? He said, they're just too expensive. They also had this Kindle. They had several of just this one for $3. I like this doll. I cannot say I like his clothes, but I like him, and I have a large collection of fashionistas still in their boxes. And I got another yard, $2.97. I use this red, that blue a lot. I said red because I also use red. I got some wire. I got some items to make some earrings. And if you go to Walmart and you do use Velcro, this is a fantastic deal. It's 1 yard for $1. I know it's the thicker stuff, the older stuff, but that is a really good deal. It's 3/4 inch thick. I cut these in half for the back of my doll outfits when I make them. So this is what we got instead of the expensive eggs. Would you have done the same? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.